Think Western decor is all dusty saddles and old saloons? Think again, partner. We're talking bold murals, rustic lighting, and a dash of modern swagger. So, you're home, says Yeehaw. But make it chic. Start with a Western mural for that instant. Howdy, I live here vibe. Giddy up, partner. Your walls are about to ride into the sunset in style. Swap boring lamps for rustic lighting, perfect over the dining table, or as bedside cowboy mood lights. Repurpose an old wagon wheel as a statement piece. Bonus points if it makes guests say, "Dang, that's cool." Pop in a cactus or terracotta pot nearby, because no Western vibe is complete without a little desert attitude. And finish strong with a gallery wall of horses, wide open landscapes, and cowboy scenes. This isn't just Western decor, it's Western with swagger. Now go lasso yourself a living room makeover.